Okay, this is what I got paid to shop this week at Publix. I'm going to try to do this every week, post it on Thursday or Friday, so all you guys can do the deal all week until Tuesday or Wednesday. So I got the Barilla Ready Pasta. There was $1 off manufacturer coupon. It's on sale for $1. That's free, and also ibotta, so you got the money maker going on. I got these printables. These were $1.79 each, so two for $3.58, $3.75 off each. You got the Recovery Cliff King. These are ibotta. They were $2, with $2 off ibotta. Then you got this, another money maker here for the maxi pads. They were $4 off store, $1 off, $1 off each, and $2 off ibotta. Then you had this as a digital coupon. Whatever I used, all the links to print the coupons are in the description below, as well as where I got the coupon, what newspaper, what insert. This is $53.12 worth of goods, and when it's all said and done, I got paid $1.33. I know it's not a lot, but I'm going to be doing this every week, how you guys can simply get all this stuff and get paid. So subscribe to that guy, that funny looking guy right there. Here's other times that deals that I made it work and paid to shop again and again.